Hi, I'm Oliver Connor at Connor Insurance. This is Brittany. We're here for a little bit of a claims discussion this morning. So, one of the things that has been happening a lot lately, please, everyone be careful out there. It's getting darker sooner. We've had a lot of incidences where people are hitting animals on the road, particularly the deer. So, if you are in a rural area, please make sure that you're being careful. But the question popped up, what happens if I hit a deer? First of all, deer, animals, that sort of thing, most of the time is filed under your comprehensive coverage. So, and let me bookmark this real quick. Some people call in and say, I hit a deer, and then some people call in and say the deer hit me. First of all, it does not matter how you phrase that statement. Usually, if it's an animal or something like that, it's going to be filed the same either way. So if you're really trying to, be nervous about what kind of verbiage you use in a deer case, most of the carriers, as far as I'm aware, Brittany,
Yeah, that's I'm
um,
crazy.
so it doesn't matter who hit who. If it's an animal, it's usually not considered collision. Uh, what you need to do though is first of all make sure everyone's okay. The deer, not so much. But everyone in the vehicle, that's very important. Sorry, we were just having a discussion on how you cook deer. So I don't know if you want to add that. Brittany had a great recipe, but we'll spare you on that one. As far as everyone in the car though, I mean the damages can be very serious. We've had, just minor fender benders. The most important thing to do is make sure everyone's okay. And then take pictures, and this goes for any claim scenario, but take pictures or video, do a walk around, make sure that you document everything, whether you file a police report or not. I know sometimes these happen on very rural roads, sometimes late at night, right? And so it's not necessary that you file a police report for that. Not that we're aware, right? So based on what we've seen, we've not seen that be a factor. Make sure you document everything, and then I would get estimates on the damage. Comprehensive claims can be more minor in nature usually than collision. So if unless the airbags are deployed and you've had that happen, there's major damage, stuff like that. A lot of times you're looking at a scenario where, and of course, cost six seven. Sorry. If you're looking at a scenario where you may or may not want to file it. And again, speak to your agent, right? Because filing a claim on time is important, and some carriers want to make sure they know everything about your life. But if it's minor damage and you want to take care of that yourself, a lot of times you have the ability to make that decision. And then if it's big enough, check your comp deductible, make sure it makes sense to file that claim, get with your agent, have that filed. But again, stay careful on the roads, especially this time of year. Watch out for that Ashan. Brittany, am I missing anything?
Mhm. Just give us a call. And question, give us a call.
So stay clear. Don't hit the deer.